Hey there and welcome to another video. After watching this video, you'll be able to understand that why the app not installed error occurs on your mobile phone and tablets. At the end of the video, I will also tell you how you can fix this error very easily. It is a hassle-free process, so don't get confused at all. So without any further ado, let's get started. Android app not installed is really frustrating and no more an unknown error code during application installation, as many people experience it on a day-to-day basis. Application not installed error message usually pops up when you are trying to download and install an app with a .apk file extension from somewhere other than Google Play Store. This is very confusing at first, but makes sense when you realize that this is unknown error code during application installation is neither a software issue nor a hardware problem. It is a direct outcome of what you do with your device. Yes, you heard it correct. Your faulty actions can cause Android app not installed error on your phone. So the first reason that may cause this error is insufficient storage. The applications that you have installed on your phone use a lot of storage, and the media files on your phone, which includes photos, videos, music, messages, apps, contacts, emails, etc., are stored in the internal memory, which also consumes a lot of space on your phone. So there is not adequate storage left for another app to get installed, leading to app not installed error. The second reason is corrupted or contaminated app file. When you do not download apps from the Play Store and choose another platform to do so, app files are usually corrupted and hence cannot be installed on your device smoothly. You should be sure of the source from where you are downloading the app. Check its extension name and make an effort not to install contained files. The third reason is SD card not mounted in the device. At times your phone could be connected to your PC or another electronic device which can access the SD card from your device. The fourth reason because of which this error occurs more frequently is that storage location. You must be aware that certain apps works their best when stored in the device's internal memory, whereas there are others which need to be located on SD card. If you do not save the application in an appropriate location, you will find that app isn't installed because of an unknown error code. The fifth reason is corrupt storage. Corrupted storage, especially corrupted SD card, is known to cause the app not installed error. Even the internal storage can get clogged due to unnecessary and unwanted data, some of which might contain an element that disturbs the storage location. Take this issue seriously, as a corrupted SD card and even clogged up internal memory can put your device in danger. The sixth reason is application permission. Software operations running in the background and app permissions are not a new concept. Such errors can also cause the unknown error code during application install. Seventh reason is incorrect file. If you already have an app installed but download another variant of it, then it may lead to the app not installed error. If you have such error on your phone, then there is no need to worry. I will take care of it. All you need to do is to watch one of the videos that I have already uploaded on my channel about fixing app not installed error on your phone or tablet. It is a very detailed video in which I will give you 4 easy steps through which you can fix the error absolutely for free. The methods that I have shown in the video worked for almost everyone who watched the video. All you need to do is to click the I button on the top or just go to the link in the description and watch the video, and I'm sure that it would work for your case as well. And if it did, then don't forget to turn the like button from gray to blue and subscribe my channel with the notifications turned on for more such videos from this side. Alright, so that is all for this video. Catch you in the next one.